Hi kids, let's learn color blue. Wow kids, it's an airplane. We have to build it by ourselves. It's a Lego blocks airplane. Blue airplane. Who's next? It's a blue crab. Blue police car with a siren on it. There's even a policeman inside. What is this blue cat?
Hey there, my name is Dory. I'm a supersized gizmo-eyed cat.
Kids, did you recognize this cartoon character? So cute.
Hey there, my name is Dory. I'm a supersized gizmo-eyed gadget cat from the future. I've been sent back in time to take care of this guy, Noby, but he's a mess. And that's where I come in, to save the day with an amazing invention from my fourth dimensional secret gadget puzzle. But things never turn out as planned. Get ready, cause here we go again.
A light blue race car from Hot Wheels. Wow, kids, is that a fish? Yes, it is. A blue fish, which is making bubbles. So cool.
Dory! Nemo! Ah! I found you! You found me?
Dory, there you are!
Hey, we found her!
You cannot just swim off like that. I turned my back on you for 1 second and... Dory?
So get this, I was just talking to a clam who heard from a moray eel who was talking to a bluefish. Like the actual species bluefish, not just a blue fish. And
What
he
did
said...
you hear, Dory?
Oh, what did I hear? Shoot.
Come on, let's head home.
Here we've got a blue oval, shape of an oval. Wow, such a cute blue ship. It's cool to play with it inside the pool. Here we got a blue marker. Let's draw something. Wow, it's a snowman. Hey there, snowman. With a blue hat, blue scarf, and a blue boot.
Hello.
See you, snowman. Oh, bye-bye. We all love this animal. It's a dolphin who swims in the sea. He has a fin and he jumps so high. A blue classic car Mini. What a cute toy! It's a square shape with animals on it. Oh, this bright elephant with big ears and a proboscis, which is elephant's nose. So cute! And the last one, a blue race car. Looks like a monster truck. So cool!